I can't fight back for my life and I'm in handcuffs. They're walking across the street singing a song.
In quick response to multiple reports, Moranto and Hobbs arrived promptly at the scene where a woman was displaying disoriented behavior, walking in and out of traffic, and speaking incoherently near the junction of North Garfield Avenue and East 29th Street in Loveland at approximately 8:30 p.m. Police officer Hobbs first approached her and started questioning her. However, according to the woman, she was just walking around, leaving her life and singing a song.
Walking along, singing a song all day.
Just hang out and talk with me, please.
I'm just singing a song all day.
Okay, are you walking in any traffic though? Ma'am?
I'm just singing a song all day long.
Try 263, she's walking away from
Is there no freedom?
There is, but
I can't walk along and sing a song. See, I have the full volume.
Perfect.
So I can't walk along.
Not the road. You know what I mean? So I'm getting told that you're like out in the roadway.
Oh, okay.
Can you stop with me and just talk with me just for a second?
There's no sidewalks.
I know. I get that.
So where do a sidewalk go? Where can I be? Where I can see the full volume, don't you see? So where are the sidewalks? Where am I supposed to be?
Roadway, right? You
Oh, wow, that's a roadway, okay.
There is, ma'am. What's going on? Where do you live? Ma'am?
If you gave me a sidewalk, I guess I'd have
Could you just sit down for me and talk with me, please?
According to the Supreme Court, everyone lawfully within the territory of a state shall, within that territory, have the right to liberty of movement and freedom to choose his residence. The police has no rights to detain her, unless there is a reasonable cause or suspicion, else they will be violating the Fourth Amendment rights, which states, quote, "The Supreme Court has long interpreted the Fourth Amendment's phrase, the right of the people to be secure in their persons, as a protection against arbitrary arrests. So, arrest without a warrant or probable cause is seen as an unreasonable seizure of one's person under the Fourth Amendment. If the officer decides to detain her without reasonable suspicion, he will be violating her right and the law, and may face legal consequences if charged."
Ma'am? Ma'am, do you have an ID?
I'm just walking, singing a song, dude.
I got you, but you're walking in the roadway.
Well, okay, but there's no sidewalk, is there?
But if you're walking on 287,
there's no sidewalk, is there? I was crossing the road.
Can I give you a ride somewhere?
No, thank you.
What can I call you? What's your name?
Angelia.
Angelia? Am I saying that right? Officer Hobbs. My first name's Nick. Yeah. Nicholas, yeah. But I go by either one, right? People call me both, so. What can I do to help you out?
Hey, I'm just gonna go my way. I'm just gonna take a breath.
As you can notice here, this woman sounds a little bit off, and may be a victim of addiction, and possibly caused by losing her loved ones, as she stated in this video. If the officer is attentive after talking with her, he would understand and let her go, as long as she is not violating any law or causing any problems.
And that's a very good deal.
Sorry,
I'm working on that way.
Trying to quit? Are you trying to quit smoking? Yeah. Fair enough.
I had a year in.
Okay, I got you.
It's better than a lot of other things.
True. My dad smoked for a long time, so I don't think it's that big of a deal.
My mom just died, so.
I'm sorry to hear that.
COPD.
That's what
last night. To what degree? The degree of what we see doesn't matter. Have a nice day.
Can I help you with anything?
No, I'm wondering.
Where are you headed to?
I am walking on my free land country.
You are, and I'm not saying you're wrong.
They don't have sidewalks.
Even after speaking with her and have realized that she's not a threat to anyone and even to herself, he could have let her leave instead. He decided that she is not cooperating with him and called for backup.
273, 263.
Put an X.
Do you need an ambulance or anything?
I don't please.
Copy. I'm in the parking lot of Thrift now.
I'm not been
She's not willing to cooperate with me. Okay, you'll see me over here.
Put the lines here.
Ma'am.
This is my land.
I'm trying to help you out. Ma'am.
I don't
Let me help you.
Your way. I'm just walking.
I know you're just walking.
Is there some problem with that?
Well,
I can't walk and sing.
Where are you going to?
It doesn't matter.
It does matter.
Why do I have to say where I'm going when I'm just walking in a free country singing a song, full volume?
I got you.
Why can't I do that? Is there no freedom today? Have I been sold out to China this way? Our fucking oil reserves sold out to China, have you heard?
Here, this is where things started to escalate. Immediately, Officer Russell Maranto arrived at the scene. He went on and detained the woman immediately.
You come to me face and face, I'm just walking.
I got you, you're walking.
Multiple callers that you were blocking traffic.
Multiple callers.
So I need you to stop.
Blocking traffic, don't fucking touch me, dude.
You're being detained.
Fucking don't fucking touch me,
Do you have
dude.
an ID on you?
Fucking don't touch, don't fucking
Then I
touch
will
me.
not call
She
you.
only told me her first.
Don't fucking touch me.
Don't fight me.
I'm just fucking
Don't fight me.
walking along.
You were being detained.
I have no freedom to walk
Do
in
you have
this
an ID?
land.
Do you have an ID on you?
Fuck you.
Do you have an ID on you?
I'm just walking.
Okay.
What have I done wrong?
Obstructed
Let go of
traffic
me.
multiple times.
No, I'm not. I'm walking
You're
through.
now, but it took us a minute to do.
I'm fucking walking through.
Are you willing to work with me?
Oh, well.
According to the stop and identity laws, if a police officer reasonably suspects that someone has engaged in criminal activity, the officer can detain that person and ask for identification. A person who refuses to provide identification commits the crime of resisting an officer's lawful order. However, a police officer doesn't have the right to ask for your ID if you have not been suspected of committing a crime. Interestingly, many states have the right to refuse to provide their ID while some states doesn't. They only allege that she's violating traffic law, and he went on to arrest her.
I'm walking through. Get your hands fucking off of me.
At this point, you're being detained.
Get off of me for
Place your
what
hands behind
reason?
your back.
Fucking no
She said-
freedom left. Fucking nomadic Canadian pieces of shit.
Is there any way to detach your backpack here? Is there any way to take your backpack off?
Happy day,
Say what?
You're good, man. Yeah, you're good, you're good.
Canadian.
After arresting her with the belief that she needs their help, they decide to transport the woman to the hospital. When they arrived at the hospital, the woman became furious and started insulting everyone.
Absolutely.
You guys already put her down?
Yeah. Yeah, whatever she's got, it's all just right in there. We're going back to triage.
Fucking war with me, I'll war with you.
I appreciate you working with me,
Shit.
Let's
He
watch the
said,
language.
Angelia, you piece of
Angelia,
shit.
I will not tolerate
Yeah,
that language.
well, I will tell you, I'm not tolerating that I can't walk down the street. Hey, fucking give it back to me, you fucking
It has to
piece
go
of
with your
shit.
property.
Hey, I can have it.
Angelia.
Why can't I have a piece of
They have
paper?
Hobbs' body camera footage reveals Maranto striking her while they were there. He informed the sergeant, according to the footage, that Maranto's original intention was to divert the woman's face away to prevent her from spitting, but the situation escalated, leading to a stronger blow.
Fucking hit me. I want fucking video of that. I want fucking video of that.
Just sit
I don't even have any hands to fight back.
Look at me. I'm going to help you out. I just need you to work with me, okay? Thank you. What are you guys... Yeah, okay. Yeah. If you continue to spit, we're going to put this on, okay? So can you stop spitting? Angelia, look at me. Angelia. You taking some breaths? If you spit again, I'm putting this on you. Stop spitting. That's not nice.
And I'm being punched in the fucking face by an officer. I am a woman in handcuffs.
Following an investigation initiated by Loveland Police Chief Tim Doran and conducted by the Larimer County Sheriff's Office, there was enough evidence to charge Maranto with third-degree assault, categorized as a Class 1 misdemeanor. However, there were no formal criminal charges filed against Maranto according to online court records. On Thursday, the Sheriff's Office presented the case to the 8th Judicial District Attorney's Office, resulting in a court summons being issued to Maranto. Chief Doran, in a community video update on June 9th, stated that the woman involved in the incident was also charged with third-degree assault. It is important to note that all suspects are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Currently, Officer Russell Maranto has been fired from the department. If you want to watch more police cam stories, subscribe and turn on notifications for more.